Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Spectrum Internet. Alright, let's begin. Now, Spectrum offers cable internet services with a variety of speed tiers to meet different needs. They also provide bundled packages that include TV and phone services. So, Spectrum is a large company that provides various services. One of Spectrum's major selling points is its widespread availability, especially in suburban and urban areas. For plans and pricing, Spectrum offers three main internet plans. The first plan is up to 100 megabytes per second, starting around $30 per month. Then, Spectrum Internet Ultra is up to 500 megabytes per second, which typically starts at $50 per month. Finally, the Premium plan, which is up to 1 gigabyte per second, and starting at around $70 per month. Each plan comes with free modem rental, and also, there are no data caps, meaning you can use as much data as you want without worrying about overage fees. However, promotional prices usually increase after the first 12 months, so it's important to consider long-term costs. In conclusion, Spectrum Internet is a solid choice for those who need a reliable connection with no data limits and appreciate the flexibility of a no-contract service. However, keep in mind the potential price hikes after the first or the second year, and the relatively lower upload speeds. If you're in an area with a few options, Spectrum is definitely worth considering. So that's basically all about Spectrum Internet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.